Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like a pirate in Dress to Impress. So this pirate inspired outfit in DTI is giving Runway Rebel with a splash of sweet queen energy. And this is the pirate look that I created in DTI. And I'm going to show you how you can create this one through this video. So first, for the hair, I'm using these three hairstyle, this one, and also this one, and color it brown like this. And let's start with the outfit. So first, I'm going to go with the accessory first. So for the necklace, I'm going to put on this choker necklace and leave the color as gold as it is, and put on this necklace here and change the second color into this gold color. And for the hat, the pirate hat, I'm going to use this one and color it red like this. Here you can adjust the position so that it fits more like this. And I'm going to put on this flower and change the same color like the hat. And here I'm going to also put on this hat piece for the hair. Okay, so you're done with the accessory. Here I'm going to put on the outfit. So for the outfit here, I'm using this top in here and change the first color into black, and the second color I'm going to just leave it as it is. Now I'm going to put on these sleeves with the fur and change the color to all white, and also this fluffy sleeve like this. So this is for the top. And for the shoes, I'm going to use this one in here, the shoe, and change all the color into black. And I'm going to put on this skirt and color it red like the hat, and also this belt with black color and gold like this. And now I'm going to put on this stocking. Okay, so it's already complete, but if you want to, you can also add this currency item here, but toggle it into only skirt and change the color to red like the skirt. This, and you can also grab the bag if you want to. So this is the final look for the pirate outfits on Dress to Impress. So raise the sales and your fashion games. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll catch you all on more DTI hacks. Bye.